한국소방안전원과 함께하는 English Plus Episode 10 Fire Safety Checklist. Number 1. How to use the fire extinguisher. The fire extinguisher is the most effective firefighting equipment to put fires out in an early stage. In order to be able to use it in an emergency safely, we must learn how to use it. Here are some tips. 1. Before discharging the extinguisher, take the fire extinguisher 2 to 3 meters away from the fire. 2. Check the direction of the wind and standing against the wind, walk towards the flame. 3. Place the extinguisher on the ground, hold it firmly with one hand, and pull the safety pin out. 4. Hold the handle with one hand and the nozzle with the other. Aim for the base of the fire and squeeze the handle together. Sweep the nozzle from side to side, making a zigzag shape, and discharge the extinguisher. Number 2. How to use the System Indoor Hydrant. The System Indoor Hydrant, which uses waterproof water, is another firefighting equipment that can quickly put off small fires in the early stage of the fire. Anyone can use it easily. Let's find out how. 1. Once you've identified the flames, run towards the System Indoor Hydrant. It is ideal for 2 or more people to work as a team. 2. Open the cabinet. Take out the hose and grab the nozzle. 3. While the person holding the nozzle moves towards the fire, the other person stays behind and opens a valve from the cabinet by turning it counterclockwise. 4. When the person carrying the nozzle finds the base of the fire, turn the nozzle counterclockwise and extinguish it. 5. After extinguishing, close the nozzle and manually stop the pump. Number 3. How to evacuate if a fire starts. 1. Cover your nose with a towel and evacuate, keeping your body down. When there's a fire, the smoke tends to go up. Therefore, if you remain in a low posture and move, you can prevent suffocating from the smoke. 2. If you see a fire alarm, activate it. When evacuating, if you see a fire alarm, you must inform the others of the fire. 3. Check the emergency exit and make sure it is clear. If you just hurry out without checking, it may lead to a bigger accident. After making sure the exit is clear, turn your face the opposite direction and hold your breath. Then open the door, and never use the elevator. 4. Close the emergency exit and evacuate. When evacuating, you must close the door behind you to limit the spread of the heat and smoke, and will also act as a fire barrier.